Folks, I think I never show you how to actually provision the lab. So this demo is dedicated for that. The workflow will be pretty simple. In the lab, there is a way to request it. So as a developer account, I already requested for simple lab. Let's go with a simple example first. Later on, we will cover a lot of complex example in a later video or a separate video. So I requested for a S3 simple static website. So I can see that thing directly in my dashboard. As you can see in my dashboard, I already requested for that. The request is approved because I am under the developer license. So now what I need to do is I need to provision. I can provision directly from here, or I can directly go to the provision navigation window. So I'll go there. I'll select S3 uh, lab, and then I one more thing, I applied the permissions for the required IAM permissions to my account or my user, and here I need to specify the name of bucket. So let's say we will see we will try to give the unique name, static website, or maybe we'll give uh, we will name this something like this as a bucket name, and then we just need to hit the start provision. So we just need to go and hit that button, start provisioning, and then the provisioning started as message suggests. And as you can see, the thing is successful. And now we will verify this by going to the actual AWS account to see if our bucket is created. So let's go to the account now. So obviously it will take some time to provision the thing, but yeah, we can see the static bucket is created. So we'll go here, and still it's in process, it seems like. So it will take some time actually to give the contents of that bucket. So meanwhile, what we will do, we'll wait for a while, and once that bucket contents are there, then we will try to access those things. Okay, let's wait for some more time. And one more thing you can check is actually the cloud formation template. So if you can go, because this labOps is actually create the cloud formation internally, and if you can see here, it will show the stack. Yeah, so this stack is created. So it seems like those things must be there. So now go to S3 and recheck again whether the standard contents are now available. Yeah, now we can see the file is there. Now let's go to properties to access this site. So we first need to find out the bucket endpoint, website endpoint. So what we will do, we'll just copy this and we will put it into a new, and we'll type. Yeah. So now as you can see, our S3 bucket website is live. Whatever bucket name we gave is available there. So that's how actual lab works. The way it is working for S3, it will work for anything, any complex, lab also, whatever you will create there. So now one more feature we gave here, that you can, once your testing is done, once everything is done, then you can directly destroy it from here. So you don't need to worry about if the multiple web services created by the cloud formation is destroyed or not. So what you will do, you will just say this button here, which will destroy this whole lab. So we already tested it, we already verified it. So what I will do, I will just destroy this lab, and it will clean all the logs and everything directly from AWS. Oh, actually it's failed actually. So there must be some issue. But usually what happens once you hit here, it will destroy. There is a possibility that some of the contents are still going on. So what we will do, we'll just close it and then we'll try to delete that. Yeah, it's still failing. So there is some issue with it, but yeah, usually what happens, it will destroy the lab also directly from here. So that's about it in this video. Thank you.